Hey guys, it's Miss VELHAGEN, your college and career counselor. Just chilling here at home with my giant piles of Eldo t-shirts and college and military shirts. Just not knowing what to wear on Wednesdays and Fridays here in this strange new time of staying at home. Hey, just wanting to send out all my best to everybody for good health and staying so patient and adaptable in this difficult time. I miss seeing all of you and wish you well.
Hello, Eldorado. This is Mrs. Harenberg from Science, and I miss you so much. I miss hearing you laugh. I miss teaching you. I miss seeing you, and I can't wait till we can be together again. In the meantime, take care of yourselves. Be kind to the people around you, and know that we at Eldorado, your teachers, the staff, just everybody, will always be here for you because you'll always be our kids.
Hey guys, Mr. Pierce here. I just wanted to say hi to all my current and former students, my volleyball players, and the rest of the Eldorado community. We're living through truly unusual times and have had so many things that we take for granted stripped from us. Hopefully, however, you're able to appreciate those things more now and appreciate the moment as well. My wife and I often wish we had more time to spend together. Now we get that. I have gotten to spend invaluable time with my boys who are growing up way too fast. I'm learning to think creatively and outside the box to meet my wants and needs, communicating with my family and friends, shopping, exercising, all that. I feel I'm improving as a person. Hopefully you two are tapping into that creative and out-of-the-box thinking. Well, hang in there, Eldorado. I miss you all tremendously, but I'll see you on the other side of this. Take care, everyone. How was that?
Oh, it was fine.
Okay, thanks. Do you mind if I go exercise?
Oh, sure. Don't forget 6 feet.
Gotcha.
Hi, schools. I missed you. Hopefully when all this coronavirus stops, we can go back to school and see you. We love you. Bye.
Hey guys, just wanted to check in, see how you guys are doing, see how this crazy chapter in your life is going, and to remind you to check on each other, be kind to each other, and remember that the best days of your life haven't even happened yet. This is just a blip in the radar. So hang in there, be tough, stay in touch, and I'll see you this fall.
What I always admired about Eldorado students is their ability to adapt and to overcome. You are strong and resilient. You continue to help your families, work your jobs, and watch out for your friends despite everything that's going on around you. And with a lot of physical distancing and a little bit of luck, we'll soon be back to our old tricks.
Hi Eagles, this is Coach Garcia. I just wanted to let you know that all your teachers miss you and hope you're doing well. I know these times aren't easy, but just know we're going to get through this together. Let's get past these next 5 weeks of online learning and come back next year stronger than ever. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay active.
Good morning, Eagles. Greetings from the DECA program. This is Mr. Orosco checking in. I hope you all are doing well as you adjust to this new way of learning. Not sure what you've been up to the past few weeks, but I'll let you in on a little secret. Don't panic. We'll get through this together. You see, when you panic, you start making irrational purchases and stocking up on things like Clorox disinfecting wipes, peanut butter, ramen noodles, bottled water, and yes, the coveted 2-ply ultra soft Charmin toilet paper. Gone are the days of using this to TP someone's house, at least in the short term. Well, I guess you know what I've been up to and why we might be selling this in Eagle's Nest next year if I can't consume it all before then. Seniors, I want to extend a special shout out to you. As you reminisce on this year at some point in the future, remember, You'll be the only class to say that face-to-face instruction was changed because of you. Students, you're in my thoughts and prayers. We are Eldo. Take care and stay safe. Miss y'all.
Buenos días, familia del Eldorado. This is Senor Davila. I found this gem on my yearbook. I was going through it last night, Highland High School class of 06. And don't judge me, right? Obviously, I didn't end up being a history teacher after all, but close enough. I just wanted to say I really miss you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. You guys are tough. Stay strong. Stay safe. You guys are awesome. Miss you guys. Take care.
Hi guys, Miss Meyer here. I just wanted to say hang in there, Eagles. I know we're going through some crazy times right now and you're missing your friends and missing school, and believe me, your teachers miss you guys as well. But just hang in there and stay strong. We've got this, Eagles.
We're all in quarantine. It doesn't mean you have to be alone. Why don't you reach out to somebody that you know? Hang in there, guys.
To all my students at Eldorado, Mr. George Thomas misses all of you. Yes, including you freshmen.
Hello Eldorado, this is Mr.SUAZO. This is my first instant TikTok Facey tweet. I just wanted to say hello from Eldorado, a very lonely Eldorado high school. We miss you guys. We just want you to take advantage of these online opportunities that your teachers are offering you right now. We're looking forward to seeing you guys really soon. Take care of yourselves, guys. We miss you. Have a good one.